Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I'm always on the lookout for a good bar soap that is unscented but is not going to dry my skin. I've been using this Carolina Castile soap every single day in the shower, and it has been so moisturizing for my skin. In fact, I even use it to shave my legs because it suds up so nice and doesn't over dry. Synthetic fragrances often bother me, so it was really important that this one is unscented and doesn't have any added fragrance. It does have a nice fresh scent to it just from the ingredients. And what's nice about that too is fragrance can actually irritate your skin. So not having that added synthetic fragrance is even better for my skin, and I just love that. My husband and I have both been using this bar in the shower, and you can see over the last month what is left of that one bar is just a tiny little nub that we put on top of a fresh bar. So it does last quite a long time. I really enjoy using this Castile soap every single day, and that's my point of view.